Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to English Redo Podcast. Today, we are going to learn English through a real-life situation, visiting a hospital. We will listen to their conversations, learn new words, and practice daily use sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. The emergency call. It is early in the morning. The younger child, Sam, is not feeling well. He has a high fever, and the mother is worried. "Oh no, Sam, you feel so hot. Your forehead is burning."
Let me check. Yes, he definitely has a fever. We should take him to the hospital right away.
"Mom, is Sam going to be okay?" "Yes, sweetheart. Don't worry. We'll see the doctor and he will be fine."
All right, everyone, get ready. We're going to the hospital now.
This is an important moment. Notice the useful sentences. "You feel so hot. We should take him to the hospital right away." "Don't worry, he will be fine." These are simple but powerful phrases you can use in daily life. On the way to the hospital. The family gets into the car. The mother holds Sam in her lap. The father drives quickly but carefully. Mother: "Sam, how are you feeling now?" Kid: "I feel tired, Mommy. My head hurts." Mother: "Don't worry, baby. We're almost at the hospital." Kid: "Dad, how long will it take to reach?" Father: "Just a few more minutes, Lily. Please stay calm." Here are some useful sentences again. How are you feeling now? My head hurts. We're almost at the hospital. Reaching the hospital. Finally, the family arrives at the hospital. They rush to the reception desk. "Good morning. How can I help you?"
Good morning. My son has a high fever and headache. We need to see a doctor.
"Sure. Please fill out this form. What is your son's name?"
His name is Sam Williams.
"Okay, please have a seat in the waiting area. The doctor will see you shortly." "Mom, what is shortly?" It means soon. The doctor will see Sam very soon. This is a very common hospital conversation. Let's learn the important phrases. How can I help you? We need to see a doctor. Please have a seat in the waiting area. Waiting room. The family sits in the waiting room. Sam lies on his mother's shoulder. Lily looks around nervously. "Mom, there are so many people here." Yes, hospitals are always busy. "Don't worry, Lily. The doctors and nurses are here to help everyone." "Sam, Mommy, I feel cold now." "Here, take my scarf. Cover yourself, sweetheart." Notice the everyday sentences here. There are so many people here. The doctors and nurses are here to help. I feel cold now. Meeting the nurse. Narrator. After a few minutes, a nurse comes out and calls Sam's name. Nurse: "Sam Williams, please come in." Mother: "Yes, that's us. Come on, Sam." Father: "Lily, stay close to me." Nurse: "Please bring the child into the examination room." Okay, thank you. Narrator: The family follows the nurse into the doctor's room. Talking to the doctor. Good morning. What seems to be the problem? Doctor, my son has a high fever since last night. He also complains of headache and weakness. I see. Let me examine him.
Sam, sit here on the bed. The doctor will check you.
Okay, Dad. Doctor checking temperature. His temperature is 102 degrees Fahrenheit. That's quite high. Mother worried. Is it serious, doctor? Don't worry. It looks like a viral infection. He just needs some medicine and rest. Kid, doctor, what is a viral infection? Doctor smiling. It means a sickness caused by a virus, like the flu. It usually goes away with medicine. All right, Mr. and Mrs. Williams. I'll prescribe some medicine for Sam. He needs fever-reducing syrup and also plenty of fluids.
Thank you, doctor. Should we give him any special food?
Yes, keep it light. Soup, porridge, juice, soft food is best. Avoid oily or spicy meals.
How often should we give the syrup?
Every 6 hours. And if the fever doesn't go down in 2 days, bring him back.
Okay, doctor. Thank you for explaining.
Doctor, will my brother get better soon?
Yes, young lady. With rest and care, he will recover in just a few days. Here are some very useful hospital phrases. I'll prescribe some medicine. He needs plenty of fluids. How often should we give the syrup? Leaving the doctor's room. Here is the prescription. Please take it to the pharmacy downstairs.
All right, thank you.
Come on, Sam. Let's go get your medicine. I'm so tired, Mommy. It's okay, sweetheart. We're almost done. Don't worry, Sam. I'll walk with you. Notice the short, caring sentences here. We're almost done. Don't worry, I'll walk with you. Come on, let's go get your medicine. These are loving family phrases you can use every day. At the pharmacy. The family now goes to the pharmacy counter. Good morning. May I see the prescription, please?
Yes, here it is.
Pharmacist. Okay, fever syrup and vitamin drops. Please wait a moment. Mother. How should we give the syrup? Pharmacist. 2 teaspoons every 6 hours. Shake well before use. Father.
And the vitamin drops?
Pharmacist. 1 dropper every morning after breakfast. Mother. Thank you so much. How much is it? Pharmacist. That will be $15. Father.
Here you go.
Pharmacist. Thank you. Take care of your son. Mother. We will. Thank you again. This was a very common pharmacy conversation. Key sentences to remember. May I see the prescription, please? Shake well before use. Take care of your son. Simple and useful phrases for everyday life. On the way home. The family leaves the hospital. In the car, the kids talk softly.
Sam, are you feeling better now? A little bit. I am still sleepy.
That's okay, honey. Rest is good for you.
We'll reach home soon. Then you can take your medicine and sleep.
Useful family sentences here. Are you feeling better now? Rest is good for you. We'll reach home soon. Finally, the family arrives home. The mother helps Sam into bed. Here you go, Sam. Lie down and relax.
Thank you, Mommy.
Here, Sam. I'll cover you. Good job, Lily. You're a caring sister. Now, let's give him his first dose of syrup.
But Mommy, I don't like medicine. It tastes bad.
I know, sweetheart, but medicine makes you strong and healthy. Come on, Sam, just 2 teaspoons. Be brave.
Yuck, it's so bitter. Don't worry, Sam. After this, you can have some juice. Okay, that's better.
Beautiful. This shows how families support each other. Useful phrases here are lie down and relax. Medicine makes you strong and healthy. Be brave. Evening time. Later in the evening, Sam wakes up after resting. The family gathers around him. How are you feeling now, Sam?
A little better, Mommy. My head doesn't hurt as much.
That's good news.
Sam, do you want to play a quiet game? Yes, but not too noisy.
All right, you can play a board game together. Just keep it calm. See the daily expressions here. How are you feeling now? That's good news. Just keep it calm. Short, friendly, and easy to use. Nighttime care. It is night. Sam is sleeping in his bed. His mother checks his temperature with a thermometer.
It's still a bit high, but better than before. That's good. At least the medicine is working.
Oh, Mom, can I sleep here with Sam tonight?
Of course, Lily. But you must be quiet so Sam can rest.
Okay, I'll just stay beside him.
See how the family uses simple, caring phrases? It's still a bit high, but better than before. At least the medicine is working. You must be quiet so Sam can rest. These are great for both English practice and family life. Midnight check. Around midnight, Sam wakes up and calls his mother.
Mommy? Mommy?
I'm thirsty. Yes, sweetheart. Here, have some water.
Thank you, Mommy.
Do you want some juice instead?
No, water is fine.
Sam, do you feel better now?
Yes, a little.
Thank you, Lily. Important short sentences here. I'm thirsty. Here, have some water. Do you feel better now? The next morning, the sun rises, birds are chirping outside, the family wakes up. Good morning, Sam. How are you feeling today? Better, Mommy. My head doesn't hurt anymore.
Yes, your fever is going down.
Yay! Sam is getting better. That's wonderful news. But remember, Sam, you still need rest. Okay, Mommy, I'll rest. Phrases from this morning routine. How are you feeling today?
Your fever is going down.
That's wonderful news. Here's some porridge for you, Sam. It's soft and healthy. I don't like porridge.
Come on, Sam. Just a few spoonfuls.
I'll eat porridge with you. See, it's not so bad. Okay, fine. I'll eat it. Good boy. After breakfast, you can take your vitamin drops. Useful sentences here. Here's some porridge for you. It will give you strength. Good boy. Simple, motivating family talk. Doctor's follow-up visit. The next day, the family goes back to the hospital for a follow-up check. Hello again. How is Sam feeling today? Much better, doctor. The fever has almost gone. Excellent. Let me check him once more. Kid, sitting on the bed. Okay, doctor. Doctor, after checking. Yes, everything looks good. Keep giving him the medicine for 2 more days. Father, thank you, doctor. We really appreciate your help. You're welcome. That's my job. Just remember, rest, fluids, and healthy food. Kid, thank you, doctor. Doctor, smiling. You're a good sister, Lily. Key sentences here. How is Sam feeling today? The fever has almost gone. We really appreciate your help. Great for polite hospital conversations. Returning home. Back at home, the family feels happy and relieved.
I'm so proud of all of you. We worked together as a family.
Yes, teamwork makes everything easier. I was worried, but now I'm so happy Sam is fine. Thank you, everyone. I love you all. We love you too, Sam.
Now, let's celebrate with a little family movie night.
Yay! Can we watch a cartoon? Yes, that will make me feel even better. Look at these warm family sentences. We worked together as a family. I love you all. That will make me feel even better. Short, emotional, and perfect for practice. So, friends, the Williams family faced a difficult time, but they supported each other with love and care. Through this story, we learned many useful English sentences for hospital visits, family conversations, and daily life. Let's quickly review some key phrases. We need to see a doctor. Please have a seat in the waiting area. He needs plenty of fluids. Lie down and relax. How are you feeling today? We really appreciate your help. These are real, natural English sentences you can use at home, in hospitals, and in everyday life. Remember, language is not just words. It is also care, love, and support. Just like this family, you too can use English to show kindness and comfort. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English with love. See you in the next episode of English Redo Podcast.